Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will first confirm prerequisites. Make sure your carrier plan includes 5G and your iPhone 13 is eligible. Once done, update iOS to the latest release so radio firmware is current. Make sure you have an active physical 5G SIM or properly provisioned eSIM. Install it and reboot the phone to register on the network. Doing these first steps avoids registration errors later. Now move to enable 5G in cellular settings and check signal bars for 5G indicators. You now open Settings, tap Cellular, then Cellular Data Options to control how 5G behaves. Select Voice and Data and pick 5G Auto to balance battery life and speed, or 5G On to prioritize performance. Choose based on battery versus speed needs. Next, set data mode. Standard for typical performance, allow more data on 5G for high-quality streaming, or low data mode to conserve data. Make these choices deliberately because they determine speed, battery drain, and app behavior on 5G. Finally, verify connectivity by looking for 5G, 5G+, or your carrier's 5G icon in the status bar while in a known 5G area. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode briefly, restart the iPhone, and ensure cellular data is on. If it still fails, reset network settings to clear misconfigurations. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi networks and VPN settings. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm provisioning and local 5G coverage as the primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.